Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about counting from 1 to 10. Counting numbers is one of the most basics, but one of the most important aspects in maths. It's not about writing numbers, it's about understanding the relationship between numbers and quantities. For example, James have this and Jenny has this. So counting helps us say numbers in order so that we can know how many things we have. Counting helps us to say numbers in order so we can know how many things we have. Numbers have order. So that's what we are going to learn in this video. So when we count, we say numbers in order, which is 1, 2. So we can now tell that James has 2 oranges and Jenny has 3 oranges. So numbers help us to compare how many things we have. They help us to measure how many things we have in our possession. Numbers, they are symbols that represent quantities. Numbers and quantity relate. Numbers are symbols that we use to represent quantities. So in this video, I'll be taking you through on the first 10 counting numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can notice this, they have order. This means that 1 comes before 2, and 2 comes before 3, and 3 comes before 4, and 4 comes before 5, and 5 comes before 6, 6 comes before 7, 8 comes before 9, and 9 comes before 10. These are our first 10 counting numbers. And each of these numbers here represents a quantity. 1 here tells us that we have just 1 orange. 2 tells us that 1 more has been added. So we have 2. 3 tells us that the previous 1 has been added. 4 tells us that another 1 has been added. So anytime we count forward, we add 1. 5 tells us that the previous 1 has been added. 6 tells us that the previous 1 has been added. So you can do the rest. You can pause this video and do the rest. Each number here represents a quantity. So whenever we count from 1 and go to the next number, we add 1. So this simple idea of adding 1 whenever we go to the next number is the beginning of addition, which is why counting is very important. This is the beginning of addition. So anytime we count forward, we add 1. This simple idea of adding 1 is the beginning of addition. What of if we count backward? Anytime we count backward means counting down. Anytime we count down, we minus 1. For example, okay, let me turn to the next page. Let's count backward now. 10, start from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Anytime we go from a bigger number to a smaller number, we minus 1. Anytime we go from a bigger number to a smaller number, we minus 1. This simple idea of minusing 1 is the beginning of subtraction. You notice when we count from a bigger number to a smaller number, the number reduces. The number reduces by 1. So 10 tells us that there are how many quantity here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 tells us that there are how many quantity here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 has been subtracted. So the number reduces. 8 tells us that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as we begin to go down, the number reduces. 7 tells us that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 tells us that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each time we go from a bigger number to a smaller number, we minus 1. This simple idea of minusing 1 is the beginning of subtraction. Addition and subtraction are built on this simple rule of adding 1 and subtracting 1. That's why counting from 1 to 10 is the basics. It's very important. And lastly, we're talking about 0. Talking about 0. If you notice, when we were counting, we didn't start from 0. We started from 1. Because when counting numbers, we start from 1 and not 0. But in mathematics, we have 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means that there's no quantity left. Assuming you have 1 apple and you ate the apple, which means you have nothing left. So 0 means nothing, no quantity left. 0 is very important in mathematics. This is the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.